Hello and welcome to the TMS Labs, where I would like to give you a sneak preview of the iPhone IntraWeb components that we are working on and that are close to release. The goal of the iPhone IntraWeb controls is to create web applications with IntraWeb that give you a look and feel that is very close, almost similar to a native running iPhone application. Here for this demo we have Delphi 2010 with IntraWeb, and in this demo we have 4 different forms and a menu. The menu will be used to switch from one form to the other form, and this is the main form of the application, and from this main form we will move to a detail form, and editing can be done from the detail form and then move back to the main form where there is a list of items. A lot of asynchronous behavior is used in this kind of applications for performance reasons, of course. So in this demo we will move asynchronously from the main form to the detail form. We can do editing here and then asynchronously update the information, move back to the main form where the updated information will be shown in the list. It will become much more clear when we run this application. So I start the IntraWeb standalone server, and from the iPhone, which in this case is the iPhone 3G, our application is starting, and it renders the list here. So here we have the list on the iPhone, and as you can see there is smooth scrolling. We have the menu at the bottom and also an indicator on the menu, and we can click on an item to move to the detail screen. To make it a bit more clear for this demo, on a bigger screen we will move to the iPad, where we can do the same. Start the application. It renders the list, and as you can see it has the same kind of scrolling as a native iPhone or iPad application, where you can see the scroll indicator here on the right of the screen. We can move to different forms from the menu. You can see here the status indicator on the first menu item. Here we have another IntraWeb control that renders the iPhone list in another way with sections. If we move to the settings screen, we see the typical iPhone on-off button. This button is fully rendered with the WebKit HTML attributes, so there are no images involved here. Also the switching from state to state is fully happening in the client side in the browser itself. If I move now to the main list, I can for example select this item, and the details of this item appear. Here I can do some editing, and here we have another iPhone control, which is the iPhone track bar, and this is also a control that is fully rendered in the browser. No images are involved, only WebKit HTML attributes are used. If I press update now, the information has been asynchronously updated in the main list. Some more iPhone or iPad integration is done via these labels. For example, if I click the email label, it automatically starts the email client on the iPad or the iPhone. And if I click this button, this is also a rounded button, an IntraWeb control that renders as a rounded button that has the same look and feel as a typical iPhone or iPad button. And here we show you the integration with the Google Maps on the iPad. So if I click the button, it moves our map to the location of this model, in this case Denmark. So this was it for this short demo about our upcoming IntraWeb controls for iPhone applications. Thank you for your attention.